This marked the crypto top. Maybe, I don't know. Look, I don't know if we actually topped in crypto, but I do know that we did have signs back in February and back in March that showed us clearly why we need to take a step back, take our leg out of the gas pedal, and start to be really concerned about the market. And that's what I'm going to talk with you about it today. All right? This thing marked the crypto top, and I want to show this to you that you will never miss it again. Welcome back to my channel. I am Jomo, and this is the No Edge, No Trade channel where we talk all things crypto and trading because this is my pure passion. Look, ladies and gents, we are right now, people are bleeding. So I'm not trying to be dishonest or, kind of mean about those people that are really holding. But I think that a lot of you out there, my viewers included, you have bad tactics and you have bad belief systems about what it takes in order to be an investor in the financial markets and a trader in the financial markets. Now, I'm not going to make a huge 1-hour video about beliefs and something like that. If you want to, comment in the section below and I will try to make a video about it in the future. If we're here and I said about comments, please like and subscribe right now to the channel because we are on the way to 1,000 subscribers and that is something that we want. Give me a boost to the ego, just a little bit. Why not? We all like to be loved. Anyways, so we're not going to talk about the beliefs, but we're going to talk about some very, very interesting notions for you to understand, take from here with you into the future so you can find these signs next time and maybe either take a step back, maybe, sell the positions, be in cash, maybe even go the opposite side, short, or if it's the opposite side, long. Right now, we're talking about how a bull market or a trading environment or a first leg up has topped, and these were the signs. So never miss them again. Boom. All right, so again, I'm not saying that we have topped. Moving on. Why is identifying the signs of a market top so important in crypto trading, right? Why is this so important? This is a question I want to ask you guys. Well, I will tell you. One, as I said, to protect our capital and to book in profits. That's really important thing. And as I said, you can go to the opposite direction, but at least if you see these signs in the future, what you can do is to protect your capital. Maybe for really long-term investors, maybe you want to hedge your positions. That's one thing you can do. Maybe you can sell half, 25%, just to make sure you book in some profits, right? Or maybe sell everything because getting back into position is easy. You don't need to hold the positions all the time. Sometimes booking profits, stepping back in again later on is a very good tactic. Now, some of you are going to tell me, hey, but Jomo, it's taxes and I need to pay taxes, whatever. To be honest, I don't give a fuck about taxes. I'm sorry for the bad word. What I think of is the best tactics I can utilize to make sure I book in as much profits as I can. Taxes, I will deal with them after I make profits. That's my perspective at least. So, number one, why it's important to see market tops, either a significant market top that tops the entire bull market or at least a leg up or a trading environment is one thing, to protect your capital, hedging or whatever, and to book in profits. It's good to book in profits. That's the main purpose of investing and trading. Number two, to adjust our bias and to potentially short the market, as I said. So as maybe short-term traders, what you want to always be having, you want to make sure that your bias is adjusted on a weekly basis. So for example, part of my process as a trader is to do a weekly thinking study session every Sunday where I give grades to the market and where I put in the bird's eye view where we are in the big cycle and the stage analysis that I utilize. And if you don't know what stage analysis is, I think I have a video in my YouTube. Just write stage analysis in the search in the videos and you'll find it. And if not, you can join our trading service and I will teach you, because I coach traders and investors as well, and I'll make sure that you will know all this firsthand. But if you just want free content, just like and subscribe, put that bell notification, because you don't want to miss anything that I'm trying to teach you over here. So every week I adjust my bias. Sometimes for months and end, I have one bias. For example, for the past, I don't know how many months, I had a long bias. Over a year, I had a long bias. But lately, my bias started to change into very neutral and leaning in towards shorting, which you could have seen in my study session that I've talked about shorting as of late. So first, to protect your capital, and second of all, to adjust your bias and to potentially, if you don't change your bias and sell everything in cash, you can go actually short the market as well. So that's why it's important. You want to adjust your bias. Now, do you know what FET, FET, AGIX, SOL, INJ, Rune, ORDI, and OP all had in common, and many other coins, leaders in the market, had in common? I will tell you exactly. First of all, let me show you some of the charts, all right? Quickly, I will go over them. First of all, they were all leaders of this bull cycle, all right? Leaders meaning they were one of the first ones to break in the early bull, or at least in their own theme, they were the leading, coin in the theme. That's really what hold all these coins together. And also, they all topped in March. Now, it's easy to say in hindsight, I know, but I already saw signs of it back in March, talking to my trading, community and friends and so on about this. I saw the signs happening. So here are some charts. So this is Fetch AI. We don't have the AGIX chart anymore because they merged with FET, but this does it. Look, December 22nd, these are the first coins. AI coins were the first to emerge into a new bull market. You see this, move over here. We broke to new highs. We traded this, all right? We traded this. Then we had a long-term, move sideways. This is stage one. Then we went into stage two again. Then euphoric stage over here, kind of in, February, March, you had a euphoric stage and topped 28th of March. 66% decline since. SOL, same thing. January 2nd started a bull run over here. We traded this and then we traded this very successfully, all right? Euphoric move topped March 19th. INJ started January 22nd. You can see all these started between December and January 2023. So these are all the first ones to break out in the new bull market. Again, these are the leaders of the bull market. These are the main movers in the last bull cycle. This is important to understand and it's important to observe, because leaders first tell you when you're shifting from bear to bull and they are breaking out, you want to be long, and they will tell you beforehand, before all the market reverses, that things are not healthy in the market. And as you can see, we had this started bull market, then we had this move, euphoric move, all right, in the end of 2023, November, October, and since then we just moved sideways in a stage 3 topping, only to have a high fake out top in March 13, and since then 65% decline, right? Rune, more or less the same, started a bit afterwards, so it's not as a leader as the first one, but still a leader because it made huge gains, and topped March as well, right? ORDI, a coin that came out of nowhere, in November, huge bull run, and look, it moves sideways, stage 3 topping, high fake out on March, topped since then, 65% decline. OP, huge layer 2, the most prominent layer 2, November started the bull run, high fake out in March with all the euphoric move of meme coins and AI coins, boom, and went down lower, 66% decline ever since. You see the theme? They all topped in March, and these were all very prominent coins. Either they started the bull run, really started it in December of 2021 or January 2022, or January 2023 started the bull run and then had huge euphoric moves, and other ones that started a bit later but still had those moves, and they had high fake outs, stage 3 topping, you can see how the theme is that they had a kind of either euphoric move by the end with meme coins or a high fake out move, right? Moreover, do you know what Floki, Bonk, WIF, Sheeb, Doge, and Pepe, a bit different Pepe actually, all have in common? Maybe you guessed it, right? They all started a euphoric move in February. Now, mind you, these are all meme coins. These are all meme coins. They all started a euphoric move in February. Also, they topped in March. Here are some of the charts. Look at this, right? Floki started at January a bull market, very much like the leaders. Floki was a main meme coin leader. Look at it. Started January 26th, a bull market, and started a euphoric move at the end of February into March. Had a fake out later on, but look, 50-60% decline ever since. Look at this euphoric move in March. Meme coins, and we'll talk about it soon. Stay until the end because I have a few points by the end. You don't want to miss it. Bonk at November 6th started the bull market, had a euphoric last move by February 26th, and look when it topped March 4th. You can see a theme, a very big theme. WIF, a new coin, had a euphoric move by the end of February 24, topped March 31st. We traded this, by the way, in our trading service. We traded all of these coins in our trading service. Why? Because we trade the strongest assets. Check me out. Check my YouTube. Check all the videos I made about these coins. Go to my Patreon page, my trading service. See that we made all these trades. Sheeb, euphoric move. February 26th until March 5th, it topped. Doge, same thing. February 27th until March 5th, topped. March 5th. Then it had a high fake out by March 28th. Pepe, a bit different, started May 1st because it was the inception of it. Huge bull market started then. Euphoric move. Pepe a bit different because it actually moved to high grounds, but right now, today, it's actually breaking down below it. So Pepe a bit different, but still very much big top on March over here, as you can see. Look, what can we learn from this? And you need to take this into a huge consideration because what I'm teaching you over here can help you next time really either make a lot of money just by, understanding this is euphoric or going short actually, or just by protecting, by not losing a lot of money. And I made a video about meme coins getting decimated, how you can make sure that you protect yourself. Go check that out as well. I try to teach you. I really try to teach you. And you know what? If you like what I try to teach you and you really see the value I'm trying, give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel right now. I want to get to 1,000 subs and put that bell notifications because you don't want to miss the videos I put in real time. Sometimes I put real time trades and you don't want to miss it. So put that bell, boom, notification right on. So what can we learn from all this? Number one, leaders of the next cycle break out first. Right? But this is a topic for another video, but very fast, as I said, the AI coins, AGIX, FET, Ocean, and other AI coins all started breakout before 2023. Sol, INJ started at January 2023, and they all made huge moves later on. So the leaders, they actually start the bull market, Bitcoin included, of course, right? So know that whenever things are breaking out first, out of a bear market, or out of a long-term correction, the first ones to break out are the leaders, and you want to hone on them and catch that tiger by the tail. But that's for another video. Give me a thumbs up and comment in the section below if you want me to make this video about leaders. Number two, when leaders top, and this is important, ladies and gentlemen, it's a signal that things are shifting. Now, it's not saying that ended the bull, end everything, oh my God, we're going to drop right now, tomorrow. No, it's a process, all right? Whenever you see these, leaders starting to top, it's a signal that the strongest coin, the strongest asset, the strongest project are not getting enough love. Usually that's a sign of we're going to enter into a longer term correction or a reversal. And you need to be aware and open-minded to it and change your bias slowly but surely and change your tactics. Booking in those profits. Remember, Many of you, again, you just don't take profits. You just don't know how to take profits. You don't have plans for your investments. You don't have plans for your trades, and that's a huge shame. So remember that when leaders, and you need to hone on them, you need to detect them from the beginning. When the leaders top, it's a signal that things are shifting. What does shifting mean? Again, either we go into longer term correction or we are reversing, and you need to adapt your bias, you need to adapt your tactics. Number 3, when meme coins go euphoric, it's a confirmation signs that we are topping, right? Now, I talked about this in one of my tweeters many months ago, and sometimes it's hard to actually go with this, but the reality is that meme coins are the less valuable coins out there. Why? Because they don't have any real intrinsic value. They don't even have a project behind it, in a sense. Now, many of you are going to say, Joe, but we like this, so fuck you, and whatever, we love these coins. Well, I don't get married to coins. I don't love coins. You know what I love? Money. I love increasing my wealth. If you like increasing your wealth, keep watching my videos. If you just want to marry coins, just go away, because I will make you pissed. I don't care about any coin. I can love a coin for a while as long as it goes up. When it starts to go down, I divorce from it and I move to the next one. That's how I am. Why? Because I'm a profit maximalist, not a coin lover, right? So sometimes it's hard to really see this in real times, because when meme coins are exploding and everything is euphoric, your sense is, oh, everything is going to go right now. But this mix, all right, we had this mix in March, and this mix was really important, right? And this is the thank you page, but I'm moving from this because I'm going to move this. Go away presentation and hone into me, right? Hone into me. We had a huge signal. The signal was that the leaders of the market, as I showed them, INJ, Solana, Ordi, we had CAS as well, which I didn't put over here, and so on, topped in March. Some of them had high fake outs. And on the other hand, we had a huge euphoric move, some of it on these same coins, right? But of meme coins as well. So the stupidest meme coins just moved. Everything moved. And actually, all the lagging coins of the market moved. I remember, what was it? That YouTube crypto one. I forgot the name of it. How did I forget the name? I loved this coin in the past cycle. Anyways, many lagging coins just moved everything together in March. So leaders were topping, meme coins were exploding, and lagging coins were moving quite strong. All of this together with and alongside the fourth thing, the high fake out of Bitcoin, all this together just showed us that we're going into either a correction, longer term, or this is a reversal. And I'm sorry to disappoint you, because you know what? If this is the end of the bull market for crypto, I will be as disappointed, or even more, because this is my profession, than you, because I make money out of this. If I don't make money out of this, I don't have any money for the month. So I'll be pissed if this is the end of the bull market. But you know what? I need to not care, because as a trader, change my bias, go short, boom, just slamming the shorts. That's what I'm honing in. But to conclude the video, remember these topping signs. Hone in on the leaders early on. Whenever they start topping, boom, go take a step back. All right, leaders are topping? That's odd. What's happening over here? Maybe things are shifting. Boom, euphoric move in coins. Euphoric move in meme coins, boom, added signal. Something is odd. Lagging coins moving, boom, that's another signal. And lastly, but not all, the main coin, Bitcoin, high fake out, which won't happen all the time, right? But in this instant happened, boom, it marked a potential top for the market, or just a top for this, leg up. What will happen next? I don't know. I don't have any crystal ball. I'm not a clairvoyant, but I know one thing. You're going to like this video. You're going to subscribe right now. Click the subscribe button. Slam it for me. I want to get 1,000, maybe 10,000 subs. I don't know when you're going to see it in the future. Put that bell notification. Comment in the section below anything. Just comment questions. Just throw those comments. Hope you enjoy this. I'm trying to teach you valuable insights over here. And until next time, no edge, no trade. Cheers, everybody. Boom.